Hello friends, welcome back to Rehmat Tiny Show. Here are some colors and this waste plastic bucket. Today's video is DIY from the waste. I will make a pot from this plastic bucket. First, I will take my acrylic color for base coat. It will give a clean base to do something. I am painting a thing for my very first time. I always paint on a paper with colors. Oh, I'm so excited to see the output. It will give a clean base to do. Now white color is done, keep it for dry. After dry, I do peach color on it. You can do any color of your choice, which you like the color. Don't miss any part to paint. I like to do painting. After finishing the color, keep it for dry. It dries fast. Now it is completely dry and looks clean to draw any pattern on it. Now I'm taking a red color of my choice to make it slurry for dripping pattern. Keep the plastic bucket upside down and pouring the color from edges. And this dripping pattern will take shape itself. It is easy to do, so it is very enjoyable and fun, as well as I am making something useful from waste. As you can see, the dripping pattern is taking its pattern place itself. This is the main part to do to make a plant pot. After dripping, keep the bucket as it is for dry. The next day, I filled it with soil and put a beautiful plant in the pot and watered the plant. I like to do all this. Hope you like this. If you like anything in my video, please like, subscribe and share.